As an older man, rushing to the bathroom, waking up multiple times to pee, dealing with pain in the bathroom, or having leakage of urine shouldn't be a part of your daily struggle. Understanding your prostate health is actually one of the most important things you must know as a man. And what I want to share with you in this video is the under $2 proactive holistic approach to maintain a healthy prostate function. So if you are looking to optimize your prostate health, then this video is specifically for you. So first of all, what is prostate? Well, the prostate is actually a gland. It's a walnut-shaped gland that is located underneath your bladder, surrounding part of your urethra, which is the tube that carries urine straight from the bladder. And then the prostate is an accessory reproductive organ because it produces the seminal fluid which nourishes and transports semen. And here is something important. On each side of the prostate, there are a bundle of nerves and blood vessels that travel through the pelvic floor to the penis. Now these bundles are just like the power line for erection. They bring in the blood and the signal that make the penis hard. That is going to give it that huge instant explosion, which is the reason why you see a lot of men after radical prostatectomy usually have difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. The reason is because during this surgical procedure, the damage to one or both of these bundle of nerves that participate in erection is often inevitable, and that is going to result in impairment of erectile function. And there is a couple of conditions that can affect the prostate. There is prostate cancer, there is benign prostatic hyperplasia, also known as an enlarged prostate. It's a very common condition that affects millions of men as they get older. If you have an enlarged prostate, it's going to choke up your urethra, it's going to squeeze against the urethra, making it difficult for urine to pass through it, and that is going to make you to have dribbling of urine. You're going to have retention, okay? Even after going to the bathroom, you have this urge of always wanting to go back to the bathroom to empty your bladder because your bladder is not fully empty. You're going to be experiencing pain during urination. You're going to be waking up multiple times in the night to pee. You're going to have a weak pee stream and many other symptoms. Now, the other issue of the prostate is prostatitis, which is an inflammation in the prostate. Your prostate also becomes swollen, and that can result in similar symptoms to that of an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia. So these are the three major problems that can affect the prostate: prostate cancer, benign prostatic hyperplasia, and prostatitis. Now let's talk about this simple and effective approach to maintain a healthy prostate function. This approach is called the tennis ball massage. I mean the regular tennis ball that you know. Using a tennis ball to massage your prostate is just going to give your prostate a whole new life, and there are a lot of numerous studies on this. And then you are not actually inserting this ball inside your body, which is, if that is what you are thinking. So this whole process is an external massage. It is very simple. You can do it all by yourself. You can do it in your home, in your office. You can have your partner do it for you as well. It is very easy to do. So the first thing you have to do is to go to a tennis store or a sports store to purchase this tennis. And then how you can do this massage is by sitting comfortably on a chair. You are going to place this tennis ball between the chair and your perineum. Perineum is the area between your scrotum and your anus. That is exactly where the prostate is located, and that is where you are going to place this tennis ball. Once you place the tennis ball in that location, what you are going to do is to gently and carefully roll the tennis ball back and forth, applying light pressure. Now remember to also keep a balanced movement while making this rocky motion. It is very, very important. This little trick that you are saying is going to improve blood flow to your prostate area. It's going to remove congestion in your prostate area. It's going to reduce inflammation, and also increases the excretion of toxins that arise from inflammation, and also trigger other metabolic processes that is beneficial for the prostate. Now, the other interesting thing you need to know about this little trick that you are seeing is that it also affects the pelvic floor by stimulating the pelvic muscle, which participates in the functionality of erection. That is going to give you that huge instant explosion. So this little trick that you are seeing has been proven by numerous scientific studies, and it has been found to be very, very effective. So if you are looking to optimize your prostate health, I would actually recommend you start doing this tennis ball massage It is very simple. You can do it all by yourself. You can do it in your office, in your home. You can have your partner do it for you as well. Now, in the past, I mentioned about an enlarged prostate, which is a condition that affects millions of men. If you are looking for that natural way to shrink your enlarged prostate, I would actually recommend you check out this specific video. Thanks for watching.